Native Instruments Complete Start is a completely free plugin package from Native Instruments. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to install and start using the Native Instruments Complete Start package to get started with the Kontakt instrument and Guitar Rig 6 in our digital audio workstation. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll see all our new content on home recording. To start installing Kontakt and Guitar Rig 6, we need to go to the Native Instruments website and find the web page for their Complete Start package. Scroll down and click Download Complete Start. If you don't have an account with Native Instruments, you'll need to create one, otherwise log in with your account. The account is used to license and authenticate the plugins, and it's also a way for you to purchase full versions of the software going forward if you choose. To create your account, you'll need to provide your name, email address, and select a password. Then accept the agreement and create the account. Once logged in, press the Get Complete Start button and it will add the license to your Native Instruments account. All the Native Instruments software is installed and managed through the Native Access application. You need to select, download, and install the correct version of Native Access for your system, depending on if you're using Mac or Windows. When Native Access launches, you'll need to use those credentials that you signed up with to log back into your account. With that complete, we'll be able to see all the software and plugins available to us on our account. With the free version Complete Start, we get a variety of different plugins and instruments, including Guitar Rig 6 Player, Kontakt 6 Player, and a few instruments to go along with it that can be played through the Kontakt Player or Complete Control within our digital audio workstation. From here, individually select which programs you would like to install, or click the Install All button at the top right. There just may be a few programs that you need to install in order, so keep that in mind when installing and go back and install those later if needed. With the software installed, open your digital audio workstation, and in my case I'll use Cakewalk by BandLab, but these plugins should work well with whatever software you choose. We'll start an empty project, and these plugins should now be available to use. If there's any issues, we can go to the Preferences menu in our software, find the tab for VST plugins, and rescan if needed. The AKAI MPK249 is an excellent MIDI controller for music production in the home studio. It features a 49-key keyboard, 16 drum pads, and 8 knobs, faders, and buttons to work with controlling a digital audio workstation. This MIDI controller is USB compatible and a great choice to start with music production using the virtual instruments in the Native Instruments Complete Start package. Now all that's needed is to add these plugins to your tracks and start using them, and we can use the Kontakt Player as a virtual instrument on an instrument track, or the Guitar Rig 6 Player as an audio plugin processor on a direct guitar recording track. Thanks for checking out this video on installing Complete Start by Native Instruments to access some free versions of Kontakt and Guitar Rig 6. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is released. You can also check the video description down below for links to products featured in this video and social media accounts to stay up to date on all our new content.